How to find analytics on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find analytics on TikTok mobile. First thing, open TikTok and now click profile here, and after you click on it just click this three lines in the top corner, and then just here all you need to do is just click this one, business suite, and then click here analytics, and just wait, and that's it. You need one video, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.